What are the benefits of having a school assembly at your school? Why should you go through the rigmarole of scheduling and all that kind of stuff? First of all, school assemblies are fun. Kids will be learning without even realizing it. They are also relatively inexpensive per student when you spread out the cost of an assembly over the entire school. It's also very convenient for scheduling, and you don't have to go through the cost of having to have a bus take all of your kids on a field trip and go somewhere and then pay for admission and fill out 1,800 parent teacher slips and then tell, three kids that they don't get to go because their parent didn't sign. It's something that everybody can be a part of. School assemblies are also a great way to give your teachers a break. For once, someone else can entertain and educate your students for 45 minutes. Not only that, but your teachers will have points from the assembly, whether educational or motivational or both, to be able to refer back to with your students after the show. Sometimes hearing something from somebody else, like a youth motivational speaker, for example, someone that students think is really cool, will actually make the message resonate and hit home. So, to review, school assemblies are fun, they are affordable, and they are less hassle than doing something else with your students. I hope that you will look into our assemblies with academic entertainment. Visit us online at academicentertainment.com.